Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Huawei watch GT Runner, and in this video I will be testing out my stress levels. Okay, so before I start the test, I just want to say that I'm feeling nice and calm and I'm very much relaxed. I do not feel stressed out whatsoever, so hopefully my stress levels should be low. Okay, so I'm just going to change the watch face to begin with to Speedometer, because this watch face has the stress level meter on it, as you can see there where it says stress. And then I'm just going to go to the health application on the phone and look for the stress option. Okay, so here it is, stress, and then select it. And now I'm just going to place the watch on my wrist, so I will be back in a second, guys. Okay, so I'm back and the watch is on my wrist, nice and tight. So now I'm just going to go ahead and hit stress test on the phone. And you do have to remain still whilst the test is going on, or else it will fail. So let's hit start. Okay, so it has finished and my stress level is normal. So as you can see, the current stress level is 30. And it explains that you handle stress well. A moderate level of stress can help you focus and get more from work and other pursuits. Note, the results of this stress test will only be available in the health application. So the results can only be seen through the Huawei health application. But yeah, my stress level is low. As you can see, 30. So that's it for the video, guys. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Let me know your stress level scores in the comment section down below. And I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.